Hello guys, my name is Rakesh Patil. I completed my BE North Maharashtra University and today's date is 14 January and today's topic is synchronization and daemon thread. Then we can discuss about the synchronization and daemon thread one by one. First of all, we can discuss about what is thread. Thread is nothing but it is like a program which can run in a JVM. JVM doesn't wait it to finish terminate the program. As soon as the user thread are finished, JVM terminates the program as well as the associated with daemon thread. What is daemon thread? Syntax is thread dot set daemon and bracket true. It is used to create a daemon thread. This method should invoke before the thread is started. Otherwise, it will be thrown illegal thread state exception. Daemon thread in Java, a service provider thread that provides service to the user. It lies depend on the mercy of thread. When all the user's thread dies, JVM terminates thread automatically. When the program is end, the thread is dead. There are the many Java daemon threads running automatically. For example, finalizer is one of the daemon thread. You can see also details typing in a command prompt. The JConsole tools provide information about loaded classes, memory uses, and running threads. We can also check the thread is daemon or not by calling its daemon method on it. The simply we can create a method. Not name is daemon and gives is a parenthesis. Another point is that when a thread started in the inheritors, the daemon status is a parent thread. When the user is execute the daemon thread program in the JVM, first user with the main method and the daemon and then the daemon thread will be executed. When the main method is finished, the program terminates and daemon thread is also shut down by JVM. Daemon thread uses usually we create a daemon thread for functionality that are not critical to system. For example, logging the thread or monitoring the thread to capture the system resource details and their state. If you are not okay with the daemon thread being terminated, don't create it as a daemon thread. Also, it's better to avoid daemon thread for to the operation because it can cause resource leak when program just terminate and resource are not closed properly. What is and we can also what is the second type? Second method. Second synchronization method. The Java language provides two basic synchronization. One of the is synchronized statement is more complex of two synchronized statements are described in the method. What is that? First one, to make a method synchronize is simply add the synchronize keyword. It is declare first. It is not possible to invocation of synchronize method on the same object to interleave when thread is executing and synchronize method. What is synchronize method? Synchronize method is as per their name for the object. All other threads are invoked synchronize method for same object block until the first thread is done with the object. Second, when the synchronize method exists, it's automatically established happens before the relationship with an subsequent invocation of the synchronized method. For the same object, this is guarantee that change the state of the object are visible to all threads, not that constructor. Cannot be synchronized. Using the synchronize method or keyword, the constructor is the syntax of using a synchronize method, the keyword with the syntax error, and synchronize constructor doesn't make sense because only threads that can create an object should have access to the while it being constructed. Synchronize method is enable simply strategy to prevent thread interfaces and memory consistency error. If an object is visible to memory more than one thread, that can be a synchronize. Thank you.